This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.